Hey y'all, and welcome to the Southland Piper. I'm your host Tim. Hope you're doing well today. Well, I have this Charatan's make that I'd like to restore, so let's turn around to the workbench and get started. Well, let's take a closer look. Here you can see the stamping, the nomenclature. There you go, a little bit better. Extra large, made by hand. It's a Supreme. It's a big pipe. The stem has quite a bit of oxidation. The bowl, fair amount of carbon. Got some carbon deposit on this rim. Looks like the pipe's in pretty good shape. A little dirt here and there. It's in good shape. Stem fits really well. A little dirty, not too bad. Pass light. Overall, in pretty good shape. So let's get started. I'd like to get this stem in the deoxidizer, so let's get it cleaned out right quick. See if we pass a pipe cleaner. Oh, that's tight. Yep, let's back out and go with a standard cleaner. Passes that all right. The stem, I don't really see any tooth marks or any compression, but it's a little tight down toward the bit. Let me see if we can pass a tapered regular pipe cleaner. Yeah, it gets pretty tight. I don't think I'm gonna try a bristled one. Not too dirty though. All right, let's get this dried off and get it put into the deoxidizer. I do want to mention that the logo on the side of the stem is almost totally gone, so that will probably disappear on us as we get this stem cleaned up, unfortunately. Use my before and after extra strength deoxidizer. There's the website. It's good stuff. I will put this in for 5 or 6 hours. Let that do its stuff. All right, let's see. Let me get my airway reamer. Just pass that through there. It went through easy enough. Just loosen things a little bit before we put a cleaner down through there. Fairly dirty, so let me clean this out and I'll be back. Well, it's coming along, but the mortise is now good and wet, so let's take our mortise reamer and see if we can't get a little bit out. Yeah, a little bit. It's not terribly dirty in there, so that's not surprising. but it will definitely help loosen things up so that we can take our Q-tip. Yep. I'll continue on this and then we'll ream the bowl next. Okay. Pretty good shape. Let's get this reamed out. Pretty large bowl. This is my largest reamer. I think it's 22 millimeter. Let's see. Yep. And the bowl's actually a little bigger than that. At least up toward the top. So I'm angling it over and twisting at the same time. What lovely noise. Not really seeing anything, so that's good. I think we're in good shape. The only other real thing to do on this one is to see if we can't get some of this carbon off. Label's kind of gone on this, but this is the before and after briar cleaner. Same maker as the deoxidizer. And gotta give it a little stir. I just laid down a little saran wrap and we'll give it a quick coat everywhere. See if we can't get some of this carbon off. You can see it start to darken a little bit, so it's already starting to work. We'll wrap that up. And we'll let that go 20 minutes. And then we'll scrub it down with some water and a soft bristled toothbrush. Time is up. And you can see how dark that surface of the rim got. This is just water. And I'll scrub it for about 3 or 4 minutes. Our time is up. It's just water. alcohol. All right, let's take a good look at this. Maybe just a little carbon down in there. Let me see. Hard to get down these spots with the brush. Well, I like what I see. We'll just have to let this dry good, and then we'll probably put a light stain on it, and then I definitely need to touch up these areas. The rest of the body may or may not put anything on there. We'll see. Let's take the stem out. Big improvement. Big improvement. All right, let me finish cleaning this up and I'll show you what it looks like. Stem's good and clean, so let's take it over to the buffer. And there's the stem buffed. It's not a buffer-friendly stem. Got these steps that make it a little difficult and such, but it's greatly improved. Well, I'm having a hard time deciding what I want to do as far as applying stain to this stummel. It's just alcohol. I think the main body will look good without applying anything to it. I think it'll buff up nice. I think I'm gonna refresh the top and bottom with some black. I'm kind of torn on that, but I think that's what I'll do. All right. Well, let's hope I don't regret it. But anyway, black. Start on the bottom here. Got a little on the side. Don't want to do that. I have to hit it lightly with some sandpaper. That aggravates me. Hit it lightly with some sandpaper. Doggone it. All right. Should have left it alone. But anyway. I aggravated it myself. Well, let me finish sanding on this and I'll be back. Well, let's see how it looks. Well, here's the finished pipe. Tell you what, this one's been kind of difficult. The stem still needs some work. It's got some very deep oxidation. Looks a lot better, but I'm not totally pleased with it. Pipe, the stummel turned out well. Top looks good from where we started. It's a nice pipe, big pipe. Thank you for sharing your time with me today and hope to talk to you soon. Bye.